2024 wasn't just another year. It changed the world in a way we couldn't have imagined. A year that pushed us, tested us, and in so many ways transformed us. From ground changing innovations to life learning lessons, it reshaped our reality. Here's the thing, history isn't just about what happened, it's all about what we learn and how we move forward. But the question is, how can we grow as an individual while adapting to this fast changing world around us? Think of it this way, every year writes chapters in our life. 2024 was all about lesson learned, and 2025, that's the chapter we get to write. Hello everyone, I am Susmita and today I will help you to break it all down. What we learned, how it shapes our future, and what you can do to stay ahead in this ever evolving world. Let's rewind to the early months of 2024. Remember the overwhelming talk about burnout, stress, and mental fatigue? It felt that world collectively said enough is enough. That's when the narrative began to shift. Meditation apps surged to popularity. Conversation about therapy became more normalized, and self-care moved from luxury to necessity. It wasn't just about spa days. It was about strengthening our mind to face an uncertain and volatile world. Here's the question I want you to ask yourself. When was the last time you paused? Truly paused? Because it's not just about the lesson from 2024. It's a life skill. The another ongoing debate surged around us was remote work. For some, it was freedom, for some, a trap. The dining table converted into offices and our homes blurred into workplaces. But it was not about where we worked. It's all about how we balance. How do we stay productive without losing ourselves in this process? In 2024, we learned that the future of work isn't about hours clocked. It's about designing our day with intention. While all this was happening, technology was busy in reshaping our world. AI was not just a buzzword anymore. It became the tool that we use every day. ChatGPT wrote essay, Midjourney created art, and automation simplified the way we work. But here's where things got even more interesting. Amidst all this advancement, we started asking what makes us human. Will AI replace human? But I think it wasn't about efficiency or problem solving. It was about connections, creativity, and values. So, as we look ahead to 2025, here's the real takeaway. Yes, we lean into AI, but the things that will truly matter are the part of us and no machine can replicate. Finally, there was this overwhelming sense in 2024 that change was inevitable and empowering. Whether it was adapting to new technologies, rethinking career, or rebuilding relationship with yourself or with others, it taught us a lot. Now imagine this. You wake up in the world where personal growth isn't just a buzzword. It's a way of life. Instead of chasing short-term goals, focus on deeper transformations, mastering emotions, aligning actions with purpose, and becoming best version of ourselves. Let's make it happen in 2025. But it won't stop here. Technology will continue to evolve. AI and automation making life easier, augmented reality blending the digital with physical, and even the way we work will change as gig economy grows, giving people more flexibility and control. And through it all, we'll crave for something real, authentic connections, community where we belong, and sense of purpose beyond just scrolling through feeds. So what you can do to prepare for 2025? Let's keep it simple. Reflect on your journey. What worked, what didn't. Set meaningful goals. Focus on habits that will get you there. Stay curious. Learn new skills, embrace changes, and adapt. And most importantly, prioritize what truly matters: your well being, your relationships, and your values. 2024 taught us a lot. 2025 is giving us a blank paper. So, what will you write on it? Remember, future isn't something that just happens, it's something that we create, and you have the power to create your future as you want. So let me know in the comment what's lesson you learned this year and what is your goal for next year. And if you want to make 2025 your year, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share with your friends and family because future doesn't wait for you. So let's start building it today.